In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Windows 10 version in just about 5 minutes. Keeping your Windows 10 operating system up to date is crucial for maintaining the security, performance, and functionality of your computer. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to check for updates, install them, and ensure your system runs smoothly. First, let's begin by heading over to your Start button. This is typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen, signified by the Windows logo. Give that a click and you'll see a set of options pop up. What we're looking for here is the settings icon, usually shaped like a gear. Go ahead and click on that. Once inside the settings window, you'll be greeted with a variety of options, but don't worry, we're focusing on the update and security section. Click on it and you'll be taken to another set of menus. These menus are where all things related to updates and security live on your computer. Now, over on the left hand side, you'll notice a menu. From here we need to click on Windows Update. This section is essential because it allows you to oversee how Windows manages its updates. Here you'll find a button labelled Check for Updates. Clicking this initiates a scan for new updates. As Windows checks for updates, it'll automatically search for any new or pending updates that your system might need. This process may take a little time depending on your internet speed and the capacity of the updates themselves. So, be patient during this step. Once the scan is completed, if any updates are available, Windows doesn't require further action from you. It will begin downloading and installing those updates automatically. This process ensures that any security patches or new features are loaded onto your system without any hassle. Occasionally, when updates are completed, you might receive a prompt that a restart is required. This step is crucial as it finalizes the update process, allowing your computer to integrate the new changes properly. Simply follow the prompt to restart your computer and complete the update. And there you have it. With those steps, your Windows 10 should be up to date, ensuring your system is more secure and operates more efficiently. Remember to check for updates regularly, as Microsoft frequently releases updates to improve performance and security features. I hope this guide was helpful and made the update process clear and straightforward for you. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need to run through these steps again. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.